Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Karuppati Paniyaram. Karuppati means it's palm jaggery. Everybody knows Karuppati has several health benefits. It improves our immune system. So now let's go into the video and see how to make Karuppati Paniyaram. This is 100 grams of palm jaggery, scraped coconut. So break this palm jaggery and pour very less amount of water. Boil it until it melts. Now use the sieve to filter it. See, now the jaggery syrup is ready. Palm jaggery syrup is ready. Now you mix it with thick fermented batter and add the scraped coconut. Mix it nicely. Now the palm jaggery batter is ready. Now heat the Kuzhu Paniyara pan. Pour little ghee and fill the palm jaggery batter in all the holes. Close it with the lid. After some time, you use the Kuzhu Paniyara stick and flip it. So now palm jaggery Kuzhu Paniyaram is ready.